Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, it's been a little bit. Hey, I just been getting this question a couple times. And I have a 2019 F-150 here, and everybody's like, well, I lost the door code. How do I find it again? Well, it's like, well, it's printed on your body control module. And to find that, it's very simple to find. You just come over here to your passenger side door, and if you go back in here, you probably won't be able to see. I can try to turn a light on if there's one light on here. I don't see a light in here, but anyway, on your passenger side door panel, there's going to be a key panel right here. You want to take this off. It's on the inside there, right there. You see your fuses. Then you want to come over here and pop this little fella off, which has little pops right here. You just pull up on it pretty hard. It's got little self-adjusting things, or self-popping things right here that just locks it in place. And the next thing you want to do is, the best thing to do here is just pop this rubber seal off while you can. It just makes life easy. Just pull up on it, it comes right out. Then just come up under here, grab a hold of this thing. I'm just doing this with one hand. Just get a hold of that, get that off of there. And if you come in here, you probably, I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to get a picture of it, but it's right back in there. I don't know if I could see it or not, but there's where it's at. It's printed on the back side of this body control module right here. So that's where you find your code. It should say like door code or something. I forget what it says now, but this is where they're stored at. They're hidden over here. I'm gonna turn the flashlight on and see if I can see it back in there. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a good day.